You can only get one pet and you can't decide between a cat and a dog. You decide to randomly choose a pet from the list of available pets at the local shelter. The pie chart shows your options. Unfortunately, you didn't take into account the other types of pets at the shelter. What's the probability that you will pick a cat or a dog? And you can see there's a bird, farm animal, ferret, and a rabbit that are vying for your attention. And here are the numbers on the pie chart, because I know you can't tell from just reading the pie chart how many of each animal you have. The first thing that we have to do is figure out how many animals are at the shelter. And to do that, I am just going to add up, and I get 32 animals. Now we have to think, could you have a cat dog or a dog cat? No, it's a cat or it's a dog. It isn't both. So we know these two sets, cats and dogs, are mutually exclusive. So we can find the probability of a cat plus the probability of a dog. And we don't have to subtract off an intersection because there isn't one. And we can find out our total probability of choosing a cat or a dog. So the probability of a cat is going to be 15 cats in the shelter out of 32 animals, plus the dogs, 9 dogs out of 32 animals. We can just add those two together. 9 and 5 is going to give you 24 out of 32, and I know that'll reduce, and I'll show you on the calculator again, ABC, using that ABC button to reduce, and that comes to 3/4. 3/4 you can divide out or use the fraction to decimal button, that's going to be 0.75. The probability of choosing a cat or dog is 0.75, pretty likely.